Today we are going to read day 10 of our Marco Polo Explorer book. We are looking at pages 24 and 25, Fortune Hunting. Our focus today is problem and solution, similar to yesterday's cause and effect, but today we are going to look for problem and solution. The Polos were traders. They set out for Asia to buy goods they could bring back and sell. By entering the service of the Khan, they became more wealthy than they could ever dreamed. Bizarre bazaars. World's richest city. Anything for sale? The Silk Road passes through many cities and bazaars where merchants traded for fresh animals, supplies, and other goods. They sold goods from covered stalls and tents. Chinese goods included cinnamon, rhubarb, furs, tea, ceramics, weapons, and mirrors. That word bizarre, Bizarre, and bazaars is a homophone. They sound the same, but spelled different, and have two different meanings. The first one means very strange or odd. The second one is a place where you can sell or trade things, kind of like a flea market. In the service of the Khan, plus living like a king, nearly. Polo's first report to the Khan was so detailed that the emperor made Marco a regional ambassador. Marco would be Khan's official representative in other lands, and he would give Kubla reports on everything he saw on his travels. That meant Marco lived in the Khan's palace as a wealthy man. Did you know one of the reasons spices were so valuable in Europe was that they gave a variety of flavor to a boring diet and disguised food that could be a bit rotten? Riches of Asia. Silk, spices, and stone. Asian goods are all the rage. Although silk gave its name to the trade route, other goods were highly valuable. Europeans paid high prices for spices such as pepper and cinnamon. They helped disguise the taste of stale food. In Afghanistan, they also mined a blue stone called a lapis lazuli, which was used for jewelry. Today, we're going to do a little bit of research on that lapis. So you have a website to go to as well. Silky smooth, high fashion in Europe. Silk was in great demand among Europeans' wealthy people. It was light and smooth and very comfortable to wear. But Europeans had only just begun to produce silk, so they relied on importing the cloth from China. Silk production, called sericulture, was big business there. It was so important in China that myths said that the gods had taught one of the Chinese rulers the secret of how to make silk. Portable wealth. Polos hid jewels in their clothes. When the Polos set out to take the Mongol princess Kokachun to be married in Persia, Kublai Khan provided boats. He gave them many rubies and other valuable jewels. The Polos sewed them into their clothes. This was how travelers often protect their possessions from being stolen at a time when few garments had pockets. Kublai Khan also paid the three men's expenses for 10 years of service. They had become wealthy men. Remember, today our focus is problem and solution, finding problems and how they were solved. Thank you and have a great day.